आमच्या आयच्या डेट विथ कॅन्डिडेट कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आयज आमी आसा नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा आम आदमी पार्टीचे कॅन्डिडेट डॉक्टर मारियानो गुदिनो. दोतोर तुमकां आमच्या कार्यावळीन येवकार.
थँक्यू.
तुमची कॅम्पेनिंग सुरू जाल्ली आसा. लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसा?
बरो आसा. तुमी पळयता सगळीं बरो रिस्पॉन्स दिता. हांव गेल्यार सगळीं वेलकम करता म्हाका आनी मोस्ट ऑफ देम नो मी. म्हाका वळखता तीं आनीक चेंज करया म्हणटा, सगळें चेंज करया म्हणटा. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स आय फील. एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स न्यू कॅन्डिडेट्स एंड दे वॉन्ट अ न्यू पार्टी टू गिव देम सम होप्स.
तुम्ही दोतोर, सो दोतोर की टू पॉलिटिशियन ही तुमची जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली?
पळय, आय come from a doctor's family. We have 4 generations of doctors. My grandfather, my father, myself, and my daughter has also graduated. I didn't want to enter politics. But कितें जालें, हें भ्रश्टाचार पळोवन म्हाका म्हजें काळीज मातशें मूव जालें. आनी एक दीस हांव अरविंद केजरीवालाचो टॉक आयकतालो कांपालार. I saw that this man had some vision. And he had some creativity, like, I saw something hidden in him. I said, why don't I didn't want to come as a candidate, but I joined this party. And I started moving with this party. Finally, when it came for choosing last time, I contested the election last time. It was, everybody voted for me. In fact, when there was a slip given, and they had to write whose name you would propose. I had proposed some other person, and there's a witness who saw what I was writing. And when it was picked up, I saw that everybody had voted for me, and everybody started pouncing on me. Doctor, you have to. I had to go home and ask for permission, and it took me time. And only 15 to 20 days were there when I said yes to them. There was no time. Last time I contested within 20 days. There was I was not known to the public that I was contesting, but I had a very good response. I got around 3,480 votes. So this time, see what happened, I was also not interested in politics, but I moved with this party till the last. And everybody, they said, we are not getting a candidate like you. They were comparing myself with other candidates. I said, don't compare. Finally, my banners were out even without telling me. I was not running after, this is true, I was not running after the ticket. The ticket was running after me. And finally, yes, I had to say yes, and there I am into the politics. And I have not left my clinic. I still practice. From 7:30 to 11, I practice at home. I have given up my practice in Panjim, but from 11 to 8 o'clock, I am doing campaigning door to door.
तुम्ही समज जर हांगासर हे आमी जर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पळयत जाल्यार चडशे लोकांचो कल हो काँग्रेसी कडेच आशिल्लो. सो अशें तुमकां कित्याक दिसता की हांगासरल्यान तुमी ह्या फाटी निवडून येतलेच म्हणून?
पळय, काँग्रेसान कितें केलां? कोण कॅन्डिडेट्स उरल्या? सगळे गेले. आतां कॅन्डिडेट उरला तो एकलोच मडगांवचो. म्हाका दिसना ताका चीफ मिनिस्टर पोस्ट दिल्यार तोय वयतलो. म्हाका दिसना आतां उरल्या कोण थिंगा? कोणूच ना. आनी तेंचे भितर सेटींग जाल्लेलें आहा. पळयता आमी. पळय, मायकल लोबो BJP हार्ड कोर BJPचो येयला काँग्रेसाक. वयता आसतना 4-5 जाण वयतलो BJPक. तो येयला व्हरपाक. आतां पळय, प्रताप सिंग राणे तेजी सून इज कॉन्टेस्टिंग एगेन्स्ट हिम. आतां विड्रॉ केलें. हें सेटींग न्हू. सगळ्यांचें सेटींग आहा विथ कित्याक तेणी दोगांयनी चोरयो भरपूर केल्या. नाव इट इज लायक स्क्रॅच माय बॅक अँड यू स्क्रॅच माय बॅक. So each one wants to protect. So the Congress has got no face only today. So if we want to do something, the Congress will never do. Now the people have realized that Congress has vote मारून BJPक मारलो तसोच जातलो. हे सगळे वचपाक आहा. आनी इतले पयशे मोडटा. Who is a fool to spend 2-3 crores? मागीर 20 कोटी दिल्यार ते त्या वाटेन गेले. Very simple. We are come here as honest party. आमी कोणाक पयशे दिवपा ना, आमी कोणाक कांय दिव. बट कितें प्रॉमीस केलां, आख्खें कितें प्रॉमीस केलां तें आमी 5 वर्सां भितर करून दाखयतले. हें म्हजें एश्युरन्स. मायनींग न्हू, एड्युकेशन न्हू, hospitals, one of the best hospitals. And since I worked in the government, I know we have to have lot of this thing put in the health. Because health is wealth. If people don't have health, no. See, there has to be a lot of preventive work done in the ground, as well as curative. What these people have done, they only built big hospitals. There are nobody inside. Hardly any doctors are there. There's nothing, no facilities. I can see in Kansauli, huge big monster. There are 4 or 5 doctors. My daughter also was working there. They have no facilities, no radiologists, nobody is there. If we even have small molecular, what is it, in each ward, say we have a population of 2,000, we'll build one this thing. If once you have those small clinics, see, it creates a job for that area. It will create job for doctors, it will create jobs for nursing, it will create jobs for technicians, it will create jobs for even servants and sweepers and all. So most probably we'll pull in people from that area. So it has already created job. Schools we are going to improve. We are going to create jobs. This is how we are going to go ahead by creating jobs. Automatically, this is going to generate employment. So this is what is a good man who is wise enough, who thinks forward and who thinks wisely will do this.
तुमचे ह्या लोकॅलिटीचे तुमचे मेन इश्यूज कितें आसा?
आमचे नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहा. We cover up from Majorda to Lotle. आमचे एक हा double tracking म्हणून आला, which I am against because it causes a lot of this double tracking. कोलाक लागून आला. This we don't want. We don't want because everybody who's on the track side, they are getting all this coal pollution is there. People are having a lot of respiratory problems. Respiratory problems are there. And they are this was, see, if they wanted to do coal hub here, they could have taken any other corridor. Why come through Goa, which is one of the best places here? Don't come and kill our Goans. You take any other corridor. So many other places are there. I am not saying you are objecting. You take from other side. So another issue we have is we have the thing here, what you call, they want to transport coal from the river side also. So they have taken areas on the river side for dumping of coal. So that we have to stop. Plus there is a lot of rampant cutting of the hills and all. There's no need of cutting of them. See, the hills are lungs. We want to, in fact, if I come, I want to propose that we should not cut the trees. We should keep the trees because they are lungs for us. If you have a hill, maybe that we create some incentives so that, that owner doesn't sell the hill, but he will get some revenue out of it because he's going to maintain our lungs. We need this to be created. Otherwise, they are just saying nothing is coming from the hillside. Why do we want? Let's sell it to somebody. He'll cut off the hill and destroy the hill. But if we start with something like this, yes, we will be able to preserve the hill. Second thing, we want to improve the irrigation system here. We have only one crop. Some places they have 2 crops. But if we improve the irrigation, we may be able to get 3 crops a year. That is what exactly we want. And some places where we don't, the government, Aam Aadmi has already promised free electricity for the farmers. So we can put bore wells, we can put wells with pump and all this. So agriculture can be. Tourism we are going to improve. Because main bread and butter of coastal belt is tourism. If we carefully improve the tourism, we are going to get very good tourists here. And remember something, people who have gone to London, I think they will come back when they see this green culture here, and we attract them. If anybody is ready to get even half the salary what they get in London, nobody wants to refuse their house, they will be with their family.
आमच्या नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकां खातीर आनी पुराय गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर तुमची रिक्वेस्ट कितें आसा?
आमकां म्हजे रिक्वेस्ट आसा, एकूच पार्टी ही आमी गोंयांत चेंज करपा, ही आम आदमी पार्टी हाडून निवडून दाखोवया. आनी हांवें कितें पळयलां, हांवें म्हज्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलां की आम आदमी पार्टी is a party who is looking out for good, clean candidates. Muje's example, I am not calling myself clean. You are the people who should call me whether I'm bad or not. I've seen how they were, zeroing down on me for the ticket. That shows that they are looking out for good, clean candidates. But when you don't get clean candidates, this is the small drawback. So I have a request for educated, good people, clean people, join politics, come and change this scenario, which is going out of the hand. This is my only request. Give 5 years for whoever has retired and done a good job in the government. Please come and serve. And we are always welcome to invite good people and give you a ticket for the next time if it is late this time.
आमचे कडल्यान तुमकां ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you. Thank you.